We arrived at Bay Furnace Campground in Christmas, Michigan, just west of Munising.
In 800 feet, turn right.
The campground is run at the federal level, so you won't find it on the Michigan Parks website.
Whoa, that's a huge boat. Whoa.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the left.
Damn.
We enjoyed our stay here, even with the challenge of dodging those potholes the size of small cars. The sites don't have hookups, but there's water at the dump site, as well as water spigots throughout the park. Some sites are reservable, but most are first come, first served. When we were here, the park was nearly full every night. It was certainly a popular camping destination. The campground is right on Lake Superior, and you have a great view of Grand Island. There are also many sites that have a lake view, but those obviously go quick. We started out by heading to some of the local falls near Munising.
That's pretty cool.
Another waterfall.
Who is it?
Ooh.
Who's there?
Ooh.
That is very cool. Whee! Whoa, Dizzy. Whoa, I shouldn't have done that. Who needs balls when you got cool rock?
Big rock.
Yep. We're on our way to go kayaking. Sea kayaking for the first time. I pictured rocks. We picked an excellent day. There's almost no wind. It's a little chilly outside, but definitely looking forward to this.
You guys have yellow right there.
We're going. I think we might be talking a little too soon. Like that whole ledge right there. That's freaking awesome. It is beautiful. A shark. Woo!
that part here. Never paddling. Woo! Whoa! Oh my! It is. La la la.
Motorboat.
Yep. And the
Alright. Oh yeah, last week, sir.
thank you. That evening, we celebrated our kayak adventure with a steak dinner. Another amazing day in the books. It's time again to pack up and head to our next destination. We try to keep travel days down to about 3 hours or less when possible, since that tear down and setup takes a lot of energy. This site certainly made it more challenging since it wasn't quite level, even though it doesn't look that bad here.